Nest School System, online classes session. Dear student, let's start today's lecture.
Hello and good morning, my infant 2 class. This is your rhyming teacher, Miss Huria here. I hope you are quite energetic and enjoying a lot throughout online session. It's 30 June 2020 today and the day is Tuesday. This is our lesson number 3. So let's start our rhyming lesson, and today we are going to learn a, n. So when we join the two-letter words, we get a new sound. So here you know the sound a, and this one is n. A, n. So in my lesson today I have planned an activity for you. Yes, I know you are super excited for this activity, because through this activity you are not only going to learn the N words, you will enjoying a lot. Okay, what you can see, I take in 2 strips paper and join them, made a roll. On first try which is skin in color, I have written some alphabets words right, which are D, H, Y, P, M, T. And over here on the other strip of paper, which is pink in color, I have written N. When we join N, it's become N. Today we are going to do N word family. We have to just take a spoon, stick, ruler and put these 2 rolls inside it. It's very easy. You can rotate very easily. So we will keep, and we will not move and roll. We will move skin color strip and begin no. So if we write the before N, it's become 10. Next, rotate it slowly. If we write the and den, the and den. Next, rotate it slowly once. The next word is and hen, and hen. Now next rotate it slowly. The next word is yen, and yen. Now rotate it slowly, and the next word is and pen. And the last, rotate it slowly. That's last word is and men, and men. So this was such an easy activity which you can also make at home and revise N-word family. And you can also learn new vocabulary with the help of these things. I hope you have enjoyed this activity and you will practice the same at your home. First of all, you take a rhyming folder and open page number 14. Write date and day on the top of the folder. Let's read with me. D and den, H and hen, P and pen, M and men, Y and yen, T and ten. Repeat it again. D and den, H and hen, P and pen, M and men, Y and yen, T and ten. Okay. I have also a worksheet over here, and also picture over here and see what is the first picture, and I will tell you which letter is missing. This is yen. This is yen. Which letter is missing? Yeah. You write it. Yeah and yen. Okay. The next picture is, oh, look at this. What is this picture? This is pen. What is this picture? This is pen. Which letter is missing? P. P and pen. I have a blue pen. And the next picture is 10. Look at the picture. It is very lovely and colorful. What is the number? This is number 10. Which letter is missing? 10. I am 10 years old. And the next picture is, what is this picture? Wow, very lovely. This is hen. This is hen. 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 And the next picture is, oh, look at this picture. There are two men. There are two men. Which letter is missing? M. M and men. M and men. And the last picture is den. The lion is in the den. Which letter is missing? D. D and den. Yen, yen, p and pen, a beautiful blue pen. T and 10, I am 10 years old. Okay. H and hen, and hen, a beautiful brown hen. M and men, there are two men. D and den, the lion lives in the den. This is written task for you. You all have a rhyming folder to add your home. So you can going to open page number 14 and write the first letter of the picture and colors the picture very lovely. And as for additional practice, more practice, you can write the words on page number 15. First of all, write date and day and write this word. आपने सेम इसी तरह जो है वो नीचे words लिखने हैं pictures के साथ and colors the pictures very lovely. So this is for today. I hope you have learned and enjoyed. So till take care. Allah Hafiz. Very good morning to all dear parents and kids. How are you? I hope you all are good, fine and safe. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. It's 30th June 2020 today and the day is Tuesday. Today is our lesson number 3. Okay kids, can you see outside from your window and let me know how's the weather today? It's rainy, cloudy, sunny. Yes, oh, it is a bright sunny day. Today I teach you another sound and we are learn ik sound word. We will do reading and picture recognition of 3-letter words ending with ik sound. So you might has been mine with ik family. As you all know, when we join the 2-letter words, we get a new sound. So here you know the sound E. E, G, ig. This is E and this is G. E, G, ig. We get a new sound ig. Before start rhyming, we follow the rules and they are, you have to be attentive, you have to listen very carefully. So let's learn. D, ig, dig, ig, wig, ig, rig, ig, fig, ig, bigs. Let's repeat it again. Ig, dig, ig, wig, ig, rig, ig, fig, ig, big. Dig, wig, rig, fig, big. So students, you are going to blend these sounds and read the words on your daily practice. Now it's time to solve word puzzle. Now we will play a game. You have to guess the correct rhyming words. If your answer is correct, give yourself a star just as it is shown. Bingo. So let's begin with the game. First word is big. 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 Color the big. Take out your color and color the spelling of big. 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 Color the spelling of big. And the next is wig. Take out your color and color the word spelling of wig. Next word is rig. Rig. Take out your color. I will choose yellow color and color the spelling of rig. This one. Rig. Okay, now color this word. Okay, now very good and very nice. Okay, and the next word is fig. Egg, fig. Let's find it. Where is fig? Oh, this is fig. Now take out your color. I will choose a blue color and color the word very nicely. Okay, done. And the last word is big. Big. Let's find it. This one is big. Take out your pink color and color the word big. Oh, it's done. Now tell me how many stars you have earned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 stars. So from the word puzzle we learned the ig word. So we will practice more. Remember, practice make perfect. Now this is your rhyming folder and take out page number 16. Open page number 16. First of all, write date and day and learn this word. Read and write ig words. Ig big, ig wig, ig dig, ig fig, ig rig. Big, wig, dig, fig, rig. So students, I have also a worksheet over here and also picture over here, and see what is the first picture and I will tell you which letter is missing. Oh, what is the first picture? This is dig. This is dig. Which letter is missing? D. Dig. Is this boy dig the hole? And the next picture is wig. Which is the missing word? Wig. Do you think this pink wig look nice? And the next picture is rig. Rig. And the next picture is fig. Fig. Do you ever eat a fig? Do you like it? I like it. And the last picture is big. Which letter is missing? Big. A big orange balloon. Dig. A boy dig the hole. Wig. Do you think this pink wig look nice? Rig. Fig. I like to eat fig. Big orange big balloon. Dig, wig, rig, fig, big. Dear mothers, you have a folder and also a worksheet over here. Your child is going to write letters with the correct picture and colors the picture very lovely, and read with your mama at home when you have spare time. And in the last, I would like to say that Allah bless you with happiness and grace, your home with warmth and peace. Till take care. Allah Hafiz.
A message from teacher. Please read carefully. Dear students, please note your diary work. Thanks for watching. Take care.